In this episode, we're going to be going over the upgraded Eyoyo underwater camera positioner. We have the base of the unit, the 3 legs, extra bolts to bolt on the legs, you'll see why shortly, the remote control, the camera positioner hook, Velcro tape, and the tools to put it together. Upgraded leg supports to make it more solid. Add the legs into the slots. Now that all the legs are in place, you can add the upgraded version 2 bolts for better support on the legs, but don't tighten them all the way yet. Add the cable support or hook. Just turn it until it's mildly snug. You can actually do this before you put the legs on or now. Use the provided tool to snug up the hook. Now you can add the upgraded side supports to each leg. Now take the provided screwdriver and tighten up all the leg bolts. Make sure they're fairly snug. Here's the finished unit, and as you can see, it's a little more solid. Oh, and don't be like me and forget to add the batteries. Okay, now that the batteries are in, let's turn it on and give it a try. Rotating both ways seems to work great. Awesome. Can't wait to get out of the ice and give it a try.